Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G71 5G, and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system. Now let's tap on advanced and enter developer options. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, it's quite normal. All you have to do is to simply enter the about phone, find the build number and keep tapping on it. You will receive the information that you just activated the developer options, so you will be able to find them here. But if you feel that my explanation wasn't enough, then no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable developer options, so simply find it, check it and come back to this video. So let's enter the developer options, and here all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find System UI Demo Mode. Let's tap, and as you can see we've got two different options. So first of all, we can turn on the demo mode without actually showing it. So let's tap on the switcher, and actually nothing happened, but for sure it is working. If you'd like to show it, just tap on the second one, and as you can see, actually immediately we've got some changes on the status bar. So first of all, the hour is halted, it will stick in on this 11 o'clock, and the icons are in their full state, so the battery and also the Wi-Fi icon. And actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode. Of course you can hide it just by tapping on the switcher and turn it off completely here. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your MOTOROLA Moto G71 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.